Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. This is our topic is all about equilibrium level of income. So, the consumption and saving function. Consumption is the part of income spent on goods and services yielding direct satisfaction. It occupies the biggest chunk of the expenditure and output. Y equal C plus S, where Y is income, then ang C kay consumption, then ang S is savings. So, factors influencing consumption. Number one is distribution of national income. So, equal distribution of the income will give many people an opportunity to consume. Therefore, consumption will be high. However, when income is unequally distributed, the rich people will get the large share of the income. Then many poor are derived to consume. Hence, consumption is low. So, number two is interest rate. So, high interest rate will encourage people to save more and consume less. Number three is desire to hold cash. So, some people desire to hold cash, thereby decreasing consumption. Holding cash leads to reduced spending, delay purchase, and lower consumption growth. So, the number four is price level. So, price level during inflation, price tend to rise as people spend less and some spend more. So, number five is population. Then, five, growing population drives up demand for goods and services. So, number six, kay income. Income is higher income imply greater purchasing power and more consumption. Number seven is taxes. More tax on income reduce disposable income, thereby decreasing consumption. Taxes on goods and services raise price and reducing demand. Number eight is attitudes and values. So, the people attitudes and values over cash can influence consumption. People who are thrifty have lower consumption, while people who are extravagant have higher consumption. Thank you.
Investment and the multiplier effect. Investment is the expenditure on new capital goods. Capital goods are the produced goods which are used to produce other goods. Investment is very important in an economy because it creates employment, production, and consumption. It is one important and most vital component of the country GNP. Ang investment mao ang paggasto alang sa pagbag-og kapital nga produkto. Ang mga kapital nga produkto ay mga gamit nga gigamit sa paghimo og lain pang mga produkto. Importante kaayo ang investment sa ekonomiya kay kini nagmugna og trabaho, production ug konsumo. Kini usa ka importante. Ya, ug usahay pod kini dili kasaligan nga bahin sa gross national product or GNP sa nasod. One major determinant of investment. One of the factors affecting investment, the marginal efficiency of investment, MEI, or the return on investment. This is affected by factors like population, price, level, technology, fees, and order, and government policies. The interest rates affect the investment too. A high interest rate would definitely discourage the investors and vice versa. So, ang usa ka dakong bahin nga nakaapekto sa investment mao ang marginal efficiency of investment or MEI. O ang mga ginansya gikan sa investment kini naapektuhan sa mga butang sama sa population, level sa presyo, teknolohiya, kalinaw ug kaayuhan. Ug mga palisiya sa gobyerno. Ang interest rates usa-usab ka makaapekto sa investment. Kung taas ang interest rate, kini makapakunhod sa interest sa mga nag-invest. Kung mubo, mas daghan ang mga ganahan mag-invest. When the economy is an equilibrium, the investment is equal to saving. Savings placed in bank and other financial institution become the fund for investment. Investment serves as an injection to the system, providing more production, income, and consumption. Investment creates more incomes several times. This is called the multiplier. Kung ang ekonomiya naa sa equilibrium, ang investment ug savings managsama. Ang mga savings nga gibutang sa mga bangko ug ubang institusyon pinansyal mahimong pundo para sa investment. Ang investment kay usa ka injection sa sistema nga naghatag og dugang nga production, kita ug konsumo. Ang investment makapagmugna og dugang nga kita sa makadaghang higayon. Kini gitawag nga multiplier.
Paradox of thrift. At equilibrium, saving equal investment. According to the classical economics, the economic growth depend on capital information. No, ang kuan daw ang pagtubo sa ekonomiya daw nagdepende aron sa pagporma sa kapital. And in order to accumulate capital, it is necessary for society to save for investment funds. Hence, more saving is good because more funds will be available for investment. No, nagingan diri nga is good. Hence, more saving is good. No, bisan kita nga estudyante, no, kinahanglan pud nga makaingon ta ang pagdaginot maayo gid para napatay kagasto ba. Okay, then more funds will be available for investment, no, para kay dagang pundo nga magamit alang sa pagpuhunan, no, sa pagpuhunan. And then asan ako? However, according to John Maynard Keynes, the aim of consumer to save more will reduce saving. Grabe, kanindot ato. Ang pagsulay sa consumer nga makadaginot og daghan maka minus sa savings, no? And this is known as a paradox of thrift. Pardo 1990.